Hi, I'm Keegan Kozolanka, third-year journalism student and communications assistant at Mohawk College's IDEAWORKS, the Applied Research Department. I'm outside the Additive Manufacturing Innovation Center, where industry partners come to explore how they can use 3D printing. Let's go take a look inside. This is AMIC's computer lab. This is where the design and planning process takes place. Behind me are the fused deposition modeling printers. Plastic filament is squirted out like a hot glue gun onto a heated surface. This is the selective laser sintering printer. Nylon powder is heated up with a laser to create the desired part. Similar to the last printer, but this one uses metal powder to create metal parts. Mohawk College is one of the first colleges in Ontario to have a metal 3D printer. You might not expect it, but a lot of the work in 3D printing is in the post-processing. These machines here clean off the excess powder of the 3D printed objects. Parts will come here to dry off before being added to the completed product. This is a 3D printed E-wing. This is where the lab is located. This will be used on Mohawk's tactile map. The Additive Manufacturing Innovation Center is just one part of the innovative things happening at Mohawk College's IDEAWORKS. For Mohawk College Journalism, I'm Keegan Kozolanka. This has been a spotlight on IDEAWORKS.